In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Exness to TradingView. First, you'll need to start by logging into your Exness account using your credentials. If you haven't created an account yet, don't worry. It's a simple process to set one up. Just follow the registration steps provided on the Exness website, and you'll be up and running in no time. Once you've successfully logged in, you can focus on TradingView. Similarly, you'll need to access TradingView by signing up or logging in. TradingView offers multiple sign-up options, so you can choose what's most convenient for you. Whether you prefer using your Google, Yahoo, or other platforms to create your account, TradingView makes it easy to get started swiftly. Now, with both your Exness and TradingView accounts ready, head over to the TradingView platform. Navigate to the Trading panel, which is an area where you can manage and explore various trading options. This panel is crucial as it's the gateway for linking your trading accounts. Next, the logical step seems to be searching for Exness on TradingView's trading panel. However, this is where things get interesting. You'll likely notice that Exness doesn't appear directly as an option within the TradingView platform for connection. While this might seem like a dead end, don't worry. There's a straightforward alternative. What you need to do is switch to the Exness terminal. You'll create an account there, which is essential for aligning with the TradingView experience. This terminal is designed to integrate smoothly with trading platforms and offers a seamless connection process. By creating an account in the Exness terminal, you'll gain access to the trading potential of the Web Trader app, which serves as an excellent complement to TradingView. The remarkable part about the Exness terminal is that its features closely mirror those found in TradingView. This makes it an intuitive transition for traders familiar with the TradingView environment. You can discover and employ a wide array of trading strategies within this setup, much like those available on TradingView. Moreover, the Exness terminal allows you to trade strategically, giving you an edge in managing your investments effectively. It's a robust platform that many traders consider superior for its simplicity and comprehensive features. So there you have it, a clear path to integrating Exness with the TradingView-like platform using the Exness terminal. This method ensures you have access to professional trading tools and strategies that enhance your trading experience dramatically. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful in your journey to connecting Exness with a powerful trading interface.